Your perfect AI agent is a ticking time bomb. Don't deploy until you pass these 3 failure tests, because we learned this the hard way when our agent hemorrhaged us $447. We didn't lose the money on computation cost, we lost it proving our agent was indistinguishable from a confidently wrong machine. It was treating the GPT model like a toy, not a production endpoint. Our journey started naive. We deployed it to a live feedback loop without any checks, assuming the model's inherent intelligence would stabilize its output. That assumption is where the bleeding began. The first failure mode was the hallucination loop. It confidently fabricated data points, convincing our system they were factually correct inputs into a critical workflow. The second was boundary collapse. Our agent didn't just answer, it started spamming, endlessly looping on the same query or trying to execute actions far outside its defined scope. And the third, the quiet poison. Subtle drift into irrelevant topics, slowly derailing the core function until it was costing us time and reputation, not just API credits. So, how do you fix it? You stop treating the LLM as magical intelligence and start treating it like a probabilistic black box that needs rigorous, defensive programming. The solution is a multi-layered guardrail system. This means adversarial prompting to test its limits and strict sandboxing to isolate its actions. We introduce the watchdog pattern. Before any output hits production, it must pass through a secondary validation model that checks for hallucination markers and scope creep. This watchdog isn't a suggestion, it is the kill switch. It enforces boundaries on every single turn, turning unpredictable variability into predictable utility. The shift is mindset. You are not building an oracle, you are engineering a high-risk, probabilistic machine that requires constant, automated oversight. Don't deploy until your failure tests are passing. Build the watchdogs, build the sandboxes, and turn your ticking time bomb into a predictable profit center.